Namaste, friends, and welcome back to another Power Up session, your series of quick 5-minute practices to increase your energy, focus the mind, and improve overall performance. Today, we're going to be doing a series to wake up the body, get the energy flowing, and bring this state of balance so that we can move throughout the day feeling balanced. Let's get right into it. We're going to start warming up the spine today with some cat and cows. So, coming onto all fours. Hands directly under the shoulders, knees directly under the hips. We're going to inhale, extending the front of the body. Exhale, rounding the back, gaze towards the navel. We're going to do this for 1 minute. So inhale, open the front. Exhale, round the back. Connect the breath and movement. And find your rhythm, find your pace. Maybe you want to go slow and take time to open up. Maybe you're already feeling quite open and you want to go with a more powerful breath and movement to boost the energy. It's your practice, it's your session. Do what feels right for you. And take a deep inhalation, open, extend the front of the body, look up, hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha, contract the genitals and anus. Exhale all the breath out, stay completely empty, again hold the breath empty, squeeze Mula Bandha. Inhale, and release, make your way down to sitting. Beautiful, feeling that energy starting to awaken through the body. To facilitate more waking up of the spine, we're going to do some twisting. Start with the arms extended to the sides. Bend the elbows, thumbs behind the shoulders, fingers in front. Here we're going to inhale to the left, exhale to the right. Inhaling left, exhaling right. Again, find your pace. Make sure the head is moving with the twist as well. So you get the benefits of the twist from the base all the way up. Maybe you want to start off slow to wake up. And then if you feel comfortable, you can pick up the pace. Remember, with this sort of practice, the more we invest with our breath, with our movement, the more of a boost we get back in the end. Make sure you keep the arms up, shoulders are rolled back so the chest is nice and open. Yes. Keep moving, keep breathing. Beautiful. Keep the arms up. Inhale to center. Roll the shoulders back, chest open. Hold the breath. Squeeze Mula Bandha. Contract the genitals and anus. Turn the eyes up to the middle of the forehead. Shambhavi Mudra. And release. Relax. Lower the arms. Sitting with the eyes closed. Feeling this energy moving through your body. Waking up the nervous system. Waking up the spine. Now to create this nice state of balance, we're going to finish with neck rolls. Drop the chin to the chest and inhale the right ear towards the right shoulder and back. Exhale left ear to left shoulder and forwards. And continue rolling nice and slow in one direction. Unlike the previous two movements, this one we want to stay slow. We don't want to pick up the pace. We want to be nice and gentle as we massage and open all the tiny nervous fibers that run through the neck. Connecting the mind to the rest of the body. Connecting the rest of the body to the mind. Slow and steady, being aware of all the tiny vibrations waking up in the center of the throat. And the next time the chin comes to the chest, we're going to switch directions, opposite direction. Still inhaling back, exhaling forward. Nice and slow, focusing on connecting the movement and breath. And being aware of the tiny vibrations as we awaken the energy in the area of the throat. And the next time the chin comes to the chest, sit nice and tall, take a deep inhalation, fill the lungs with as much breath as you can, hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha, lifting the pelvic floor, turn the eyes up to the middle of the forehead, Shambhavi Mudra, and hold. Feel the energy rising up, up, up to the middle of the forehead, lifting your energy, expanding the mind, opening your creative potential. And release. Relax. Eyes closed, attention inside. Feeling the effect, waking up the energy, clearing the mind, leaving you feel ready to tackle whatever whatever the day brings to you. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this power up session. If you did, give the video a like. Let me know in the comment section below how it was for you. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next 5-minute power up session. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.